guys, back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, now I'm driving this car, which is the Nissan Magnite. Now I've already given you guys a detailed review of the car. In this video, we are going to talk about the cruise control feature which the Nissan Magnite has. Now, first of all, I'll tell you guys how you can actually activate it, and by the end of the video, I'll tell you guys the benefits of using cruise control. So let's get started. So how do you start the cruise control feature? By the way, here you have a button. As soon as you press it, and when you leave the accelerator pedal, and the third step is to basically, here you have two buttons, minus and plus. As soon as you press the minus button, as you can see right now, the speed of 49 kilometers per hour is set, 50 kilometers per hour is set in the instrument cluster. So this is how you can actually turn on the cruise control. First of all, pressing this button, moving your foot off the accelerator pedal, and by pressing the minus button on the steering wheel, and your cruise control is activated. And now the car will obviously maintain the speed of 50 kilometers per hour. You can basically stop it by pressing the clutch pedal, or you can surely also cancel it by pressing the cancel button on the steering wheel right here. So this is how the cruise control feature basically works. Now talking about the benefits. Now here, as you can see, as soon as I press the clutch, it will actually deactivate the cruise control. Here there is a lot of traffic here. Okay, so I was talking about the benefits which you have from cruise control. So guys, the first benefit which you have from cruise control is obviously it actually helps you improve the mileage efficiency of the car. And secondly, when you are on an open stretch of highway like this, you can surely let your right foot relax a bit. So those are the main two benefits which you have from cruise control. So I hope that this video has been helpful to you, and definitely you liked it. Still, if you have any question, you can surely ask it to me on Instagram as well as in the comment section below. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, drive safe, ride safe, bye bye. I'll surely give you guys the links of the Magnite review in the comment section down below as well. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, drive safe, ride safe, bye bye.